Hey, what's up, everybody? I am Mr. Bong Bong,
And me, Kitty.
and thank you for watching our video. So, what are we doing today?
We are doing picnic today.
Yes, we are out here at Wasila Lake, here in the good city of Wasila, Alaska, and we just got done going to church, and we're now hungry.
And what do we have? You already see here.
We have a little bit of KFC and A&W with some Tacobell. Yes, what is your
favorite?
Yes.
Is KFC or
Tacobell?
Let's see. What do I have? I have a French fries. Wow.
A&W French fries. Some stuff.
Yeah. It's flying. And I have the Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Now this is Nashville hot.
The Nashville hot. Smells so good.
Yeah.
And what do you have here?
I have a custom order because Mr. Bong Bong is a picky eater.
Mr. Bang Bang doesn't like spicy.
So, I do have here some chips and cheese. And then I also have 6 soft tacos with no lettuce. Along with the traditional fire packet.
Ooh, you like spicy.
Yes. Let us try out
Wow.
first chips and cheese.
I have interest in that sauce.
Okay. Here you go.
The sauce is really good.
Basic cheese sauce. That's why I like it a lot.
Ooh, look at the fries.
I mean, this is a big old pack of fries here. See?
And with the ranch sauce.
And sauce too. Alright, my love.
Yes? Cheers.
Cheers. Very good fries.
Kentang goreng KFC. Yang ini enak banget. KFC French fries is really good. You don't need to dip in the sauce, you know.
Don't need to. It's just your personal preference.
And what do you have? What do you have there?
Alright, so next is the soft taco. Once again, it's just a basic soft taco with no lettuce.
No veggie.
Yay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some fire sauce on it. Evenly distribute the fire sauce because it's important. All right. Yep. All right. Here it is. My love.
Oh my god, Taco Bell in here really good.
Taco Bell is known in various countries to be terrible. I think that Taco Bell in America is really good.
Yeah, Taco Bell in America is good.
And I like the taste of their fire sauce. Their fire sauce is not that hot, but it tastes really good.
Yeah, it has flavor. is the Kentucky Fried Chicken. The
Uh-huh.
Nashville what?
Nashville hot.
Nashville hot.
Here we go. Ready and.
Wow.
All right. There we go.
Is this boneless? No.
I think this has bone in it, sweetheart.
Okay, that's right.
All right, let's go and pick one.
Ooh, look at this.
Look at how.
Look at the sauce.
All right,
Cheers.
cheers, my sweet.
Mm.
It's a very good flavor. I've actually never had this flavor before. Delicious.
This is so good. I will try to dip into the ranch.
Mm-hmm. It goes good with the ranch too. This is one of the hottest, one of the spiciest flavors for KFC. Obviously, to Kitty and I, this isn't that spicy, but it still tastes really good.
Totally crunchy and tender inside. I love this. You don't need to put any sauce in it.
You don't need the ranch for this. All right. So, Taco Bell versus this KFC lineup. Who wins?
Both are delicious. I cannot decide.
You gonna decide? I'm also gonna have to agree with my panda here. These are both really good. These are both really good restaurants here in America. But what about you guys? Let us know what you would choose down in the comments below.
Do you choose KFC or Taco Bell?
Thank you very much for watching this video. And we shall catch you later.
Bye!
Now all the signals are going to gather around.
Really? Oh, because he is calling friends, you know.
I was like, hey.
Hey, I got food here. Yeah, recordnya with your phone. Recordnya.
Mine.
We're calling the friends. The loud one. Oh, he doesn't get it. Oh, he doesn't get it again. We're calling friends. He's calling friends. Next time when I come here, I will bring a bread. Just for you.
Okay, they just bring little bits of fish.
What?
They bring little bits of fish. All more helpful to them.
Or meat. Ground meat.
That'll be healthier for them.
when they're yelling, they're calling friends.
Hey, what's up? We heard that someone's giving away free food here. No, we're done. We're closed.
Why? They're just coming in here. So cute niya. Niya, take a record niya. Niya. Record ka niya. Good job niya.
And now ducks have shown up.
Cute. Look at that. The head is green. He has a green head. Look at that. So beautiful. Come to me. I will take you home.
No.
Why?
No.
Come to me. I will take you home. You will be my friend. You will be my friends. We will be friends till the end.
And now ducks have shown up.
Cute. Look at that. The head is green. He has a green head. Look at that. So beautiful. Come to me. I will take you home.
No.
Why?
No.
Come to me. I will take you home. You will be my friends. You will be my friends. We will be friends till the end. Who wants to be? Yeah, so cute. Yeah. Yeah, so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Stop meowing. Stop meowing.
Yeah, so cute.
Stop meowing.
Oh my God! Daddy got this.
You got a fish. Eagle's got a fish and he's flying away.
But why the eagle do not can eat the
Yeah, the eagle got a fish and now it's flying away.
So why the eagle do not eat the seagull?
I don't know. I think they can, but
I don't.
oh, that's cool. That was cool. Yeah. Eagle still came away with the fish though.
I thought the eagle wants to eat that. Oh no!
Apparently there's a fish.
I will chase the eagle. Hey,
I will tackle you going, go bald eagle, fly away. Fly away, you majestical creature.
no.
You are the symbol of America.
We must protect the weak one. Yes. Not
It's called Darwinism. Only the strong will survive.
It's not in this era. We must be nice. You are always calling friends. That's why. to you and you run away.